Many people study for years, but still can't speak well. Why? Because they don't know these small, smart tips. In this video, I'll show you 8 simple ways to improve fast, starting today. I am your host today, and this is your English home. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and let's begin. Tip number 1 is start small, but every day. You don't need to study for 2 hours. Just 15 to 30 minutes every day is enough, if you do it regularly. Why? Because your brain learns better with short daily practice. It keeps English fresh in your mind. If you only study once a week, your brain forgets things. So even on busy days, try to do something small in English. You can read a short story or a few sentences. You can listen to a podcast while walking. Or you can say 5 simple English sentences. For example, I wake up at 7. I drink tea in the morning. I go to work. Even if it's simple, it's good. The goal is to use English every day, not to be perfect. The more you touch English, the faster you improve. Make it a daily habit, like brushing your teeth. And soon, your English will grow fast. Tip number 2 is listen first, then speak. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to improve. When you listen, your brain starts to understand the sound, the rhythm, and the speed of real English. Many learners try to speak too early, without enough listening. That makes it harder. So, first, give your ears time to learn. Listen to English as much as you can. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, music, or movies. You don't need to understand 100%. Just relax and listen. Even if you only understand a few words, it still helps. Your brain is learning in the background. Start with easy English, if possible, like videos for learners. Use subtitles at first. Read and listen together. Then try without subtitles. Your brain will start to connect the sounds with meaning. Later, when you speak, you will copy the same sound and structure. You will remember the words better, and your English will sound more natural. This is how babies learn their first language, by listening before speaking. You can do the same with English. So every day, listen to real English. Let your ears do the learning. After enough listening, speaking will become easier and faster. Tip number 3 is use the words. You already know many English learners think they need to know hundreds of words before they can speak. This is not true. To speak English fast, you should start using the words you already know, even if it's only 50 or 100 words. You don't need perfect grammar or long sentences. You just need to start. Use what you know right now. For example, maybe you know the words I, like, coffee. That's already a full sentence. I like coffee. It's short but correct. You can also say, I go to school. She is my friend. I am hungry. These simple sentences help you build confidence. They help you remember the words faster, and they help you think in English. You don't need to translate from your language. Just try to say small things in English, using what you know. If you learn a new word like apple, use it in a sentence. I eat an apple. The apple is red. Repeat it a few times out loud. This helps you remember it faster. The more you use a word, the stronger it becomes in your brain. So don't wait. Even with a small vocabulary, you can start speaking. Start now. Use it. Repeat it. And you will see big results in a short time. Tip number 4. Talk to yourself in English. This may sound strange, but it really works. One of the best ways to learn English fast is to talk to yourself in English. Yes, even when no one is around. You don't need a teacher or partner. You just need your voice and your brain. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say, I am getting out of bed. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. These are simple sentences, but they help you think in English. Later, when you go outside, you can say in your mind, I see a bus. The weather is hot today. That man is talking on the phone. You are using English to describe your world. That's powerful. You don't need to speak loudly. You can whisper or think silently. Also, try asking yourself questions in English. Like, what will I eat today? What time is my class? Then answer in English. I will eat rice. My class is at 9. This trains your brain to respond in English, not in your first language. And the best part? You don't feel shy. You can practice anytime, anywhere, at home, walking, or waiting in line. No one is watching, just you and your English. The more you talk to yourself, the more fluent you become. So go ahead, speak to yourself. It's free, easy, and really works. Tip number 5 is watch with the subtitles on and watch again without subtitles. Watching videos is one of the easiest and most fun ways to learn English fast. But here's the smart way to do it. Start with subtitles, then try without. At first, watch videos with English subtitles. This helps you connect spoken words with written words. You hear and read at the same time. Your brain learns how real English sounds and what it means. This is great for learning new vocabulary and improving listening. Try easy videos like beginner stories, travel videos, or daily conversations. Choose topics you enjoy, because when learning is fun, it's faster. Now, after watching with subtitles once or twice, try watching again without subtitles. You may not understand everything, and that's okay. Your ears are still learning. Each time you listen, your brain gets better at catching words. You can also repeat short parts. Watch 10 seconds, pause, try to repeat what you hear. This helps your speaking and pronunciation. You are copying real English from real people. Also, don't be afraid to watch the same video many times. Repetition is good for your memory. So, first with subtitles, then without. Fun videos, short clips, repeated practice. This simple method builds strong listening skills, fast. Tip number 6 is, learn phrases, not just words. To speak English fast and naturally, don't just learn single words. Learn phrases, short groups of words used together in real life. For example, instead of only learning the word thank, learn the phrase, thank you very much. Instead of only learning hungry, learn the phrase, I'm hungry. Why are phrases better? Because we don't speak word by word. We speak in groups. Native speakers use the same phrases again and again, like, I don't know. What do you mean? Can I help you? That's a good idea. When you learn phrases, you speak more fluently. You don't stop and think about every word. Your brain remembers the phrase as one unit. This saves time and makes speaking easier. Also, grammar becomes easier. You don't need to build every sentence from zero. The phrase already has correct grammar inside it. For example, how much is it? You don't need to think about word order. Just remember the whole phrase. So, how can you learn phrases? Listen and read real English. Write down phrases you hear often. Repeat them. Say them out loud. Use them in your daily speech. The more phrases you know, the faster and smoother your English becomes. Tip number 7 is, make English a habit. To learn English fast, don't treat it like a school subject. Make it a daily habit, a normal part of your life. You don't always need books and lessons. You just need to bring English into your world. For example, change your phone language to English. At first, it may feel strange, but soon you will understand the buttons and words. This gives you daily practice without extra time. Follow English pages on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Read short posts, watch short clips. You're learning while relaxing. Also, try to write your shopping list in English. Write your daily goals or plans in English. Even simple things like, buy bread, clean my room. This trains your brain to think in English. The key is to make English part of your environment, not just during study time, but all day. Surround yourself with English sounds, words, and pictures. Put sticky notes on your wall, door, mirror, window. Every time you see them, you learn. It's like living in an English world, even if you stay home. Small changes create big results. If English becomes your habit, your brain learns faster, without stress. And soon, English will feel natural, like your own language. Tip number 8 is, don't be afraid of mistakes. This is one of the most important tips for learning English fast. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Many learners feel shy or nervous when speaking. They think, what if I say something wrong? Or, what if people laugh at me? But here's the truth. Mistakes are normal. In fact, mistakes are part of the learning process. Even native speakers make small grammar mistakes sometimes. So don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking now. Each mistake is a chance to grow. When you speak and make a mistake, you remember better next time. You learn faster than someone who never tries. If someone corrects you, that's good. It helps you improve. If no one corrects you, that's fine too. You are still practicing and training your brain. Think of children learning to speak. They make many mistakes, but they don't stop. They keep talking, laughing, and learning. You can do the same. So don't let fear stop you. Be brave. Speak, write, listen, even when it's hard. The more you use English, the faster it becomes natural. No one became fluent by staying silent. Confidence is more important than perfection. Well done. You just listened to a full English lesson with useful topic. That's a big step in your learning journey. You trained your ears. You learned new words. And most important, you understood more English today than yesterday. If you can watch this video again, it is better. You will understand even more. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and maybe drop a comment, so you never miss a lesson like this. Your English is getting better. Keep going. Thanks for learning with me today. Take care, and see you in the next video.